How do you know if he's the one? How do you know if he's the one? You have to know if he will be able to stand.
Sana yata akong kilalang mas pasensyoso pa than Dom. Tulungan niya ako mabuo ulit yung sarili ko. He helped me pick up the pieces because I was really broken. This is like a movie too. It's just like this time I have a happy ending. So, well, thank you for making me happy. Thank you for coming into my life. Totoo yung sinabi mo dun sa message mo sa proposal na ikaw yung pahinga ko sa magulo at maingay na mundo. Thank you for being there to calm me down always and for making me feel like whenever I'm with you, I'm home. I love you.